I'm Cassie. Today I'm gonna to show you some typical effects to apply LED pixel chip, like stage, club, lighting show, TV show, etc. My channel is aimed to tell you how to use LED pixel light and share lighting design ideas. So please subscribe my channel and open the notification so that you will not miss some helpful lighting design ideas. Now let's have a look at effects to apply LED pixel bar. Okay, here we go.
More than I had ever been afraid of. Another life, another happy ending. It cuts like a knife. Another place, another time, another hand to touch, another sun to shine. You got me deep.